Hello, seventh grade parents. This is Michael Bean, your child's English teacher. And check this out. On Friday, your baby got one of these. It says Advanced Art School EOG Results and Retest Letter. And they got their name on the top, and pretty much it just tells them they took the EOG for math and they took the EOG for English. And some of the kids passed and some of them didn't. So check this out. They're graded on a scale of 1 to 5, 5, 4, and 3 being proficient, 2, 1 being not proficient. So check it out. If for some reason your child was not proficient, they are allowed to retest. Oh my gosh, parents, I cannot stress to you enough how important it is to retest if you have the opportunity to do so. Now, if you passed, if you made a 5, a 4, or a 3, you're not coming back to retest because you're proficient. Okay, you will have gotten the letter with the score and then proficient circled and needs to retest. Now, this is kind of a weird. We didn't make this letter. It's kind of weird how it's worded in some ways. But anyways, if your child's proficient, they are not going to retest. But if your child is not proficient, oh my gosh, I want him back. I want him back. I want him back for one more go. The reason why, on the state level, that makes our school look good. On the personal level, that makes your child feel better about themselves and everything. It's kind of like baseball. If you go to bat and you strike out, you don't just give up and quit. You say, okay, let me try again. You go to bat again, you swing again. Same thing in basketball. You miss a shot, you get the rebound, you go back up with the shot, you try again. So if your child is not proficient, I want them to come back and try it again because, oh my gosh, parents, a few years ago, I had a kid that made a 1 and they felt bad about themselves. They came back, tried it again. They got a 5. They went from a 1 to a 5. Y'all, anybody can have a bad day. Your child can have a bad day. We can have bad days if they were not proficient. Oh my gosh. For just a few days, I went back. So check this out. I hate the way this word is says summer school, and there's a negative connotation with the word summer school. I don't like that. So let's not call it summer school. You can even cross it out of, we're going to call it remediation. So check it out. For my class, if they need to retest, remediation is May 23rd and 24th. The retest is May 25th. So Monday and Tuesday, and then that Wednesday they try again. This Monday and Tuesday is just going to be a crash course from 8:30 to 11:30, trying to get them fully up to speed on everything. A reminder of everything they've learned. We'll take breaks in there. We will have snacks in there. It will not be 3 straight hours of go, 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 go. Because some kids are doing math as well. Okay, but for English, just for English, it's 2 days and they retest on the 25th. I cannot stress to you enough how much I want them back in here. I had a bunch of kids that were with 1 or 2 points. Oh my gosh, if you're within 1 or 2 points, I need you back in here, okay? Because you are so close. It's like in baseball, hitting a foul ball that goes straight down the third base line. One more inch, it would have been fair, okay? So if you got this and it says we need them back for mediation, it's very important for the school. It's important for your child. Now, let's say Billy Joe Bob comes to me on Monday and Tuesday, and then they retake and they don't pass. It's over with. We're just going to move on, and we're going to continue our journey, and your child's going to go to 8th grade, and the world will not end. But if they pass, oh my God, how good will they feel if they pass, okay? So, very important for us to get those scores in. I like in Hamilton the musical, don't throw away your shot. Oh my gosh, guys, let's not throw away our shot. So when you get this, please holler at me. Let me know what your child's going to do. I know some down here you can like rip it apart and send that in and everything. I want to see them back, y'all. If they did not pass, I want to see them back. Let's take another shot at this because, like I said, miracles can happen. Everybody could have a bad day. Y'all, I've had lots of bad days. Parents, y'all have had bad days. Kids have bad days. But if you never get a rebound and try again, It just, I really want it back. I really want it back. I don't know where I was going with that analogy, but whatever. Got a question? Send me an email, bnm@advancedherder.org. I want to see your child back if they're not proficient because I want them to take another shot at this because I love them and I care about them. And oh my gosh, I can't stress that enough. Y'all want to see what I look like? This is me upside down. Oh, no, here we go. This is me upside down saying I want to see you back to retest, okay? I'm so passionate about this, I'm hanging upside down. Oop, I can't even get the camera on me. My goodness. There we go. There I am. I want to see you back from mediation. I hope to see you back from mediation. Parents, you got any questions, holler at me. I promise you I don't bite. Yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys have a good day. Wave bye. I'm going to go away now, even though I'm upside down. Say goodbye. Goodbye.